Because pennies are currency and currency is dirty, I'm going to be using some rubbing alcohol to clean these guys off. So first we're going to be trying our water. So here we're going to start off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Can we just appreciate this? 35, 36, 37, 38, and at 38, the penny completely removes itself of its surface tension. While previous Nathaniel cleans up that mess, I'm going to tell you about surface tension. Surface tension is a pretty amazing force wherein the outer molecules of a droplet of water will have greater attraction to each other than the inner molecules, causing the water to form into a ball when in low gravity, and also causing this amazing spectacle of water on a penny to occur. And now we're going to try the same experiment, except with rubbing alcohol. Now, I cannot remember what the previous record is for drops held on a penny, but we're going to try and beat that record with rubbing alcohol. For the record here, I think that the water is going to have the most. It has a really high surface tension. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 26, 27. Okay, 27 drops of rubbing alcohol. It definitely was not as much.
While I clean up that mess yet again, I'm going to describe to you 2 examples of surface tension that I've observed in my own life. Number 1, the penny. I mean, it's like, I've heard that you could fit a lot of water on a penny. It just really stood out to me when I cleaned the penny and used distilled water, how much water you could fit on a penny. The second is that when I was filming water falling out of a high window in slow motion, you could see that all the water split apart into very small drops. You would have thought it would have stayed in a stream, but it went into drops, and that's due to surface tension.
Next, we're going to try soapy water. I personally think this is going to be the worst out of all of them, because soapy water is known to break surface tension, or soap is. So now if you're really going to have to get something here. Here we are. 1. Here we are. 2 drops, 3 drops, 4 drops, 6 drops, 7 drops. 10, 11, 12, 13. We can already see that it's starting to swell up with water around the edge, so it's really not even keeping surface tension at all. Kinda sucks. Well, you know how this goes. I'm now going to answer some questions while I clean that up. So, question 5, were your predictions from the beginning of the lab correct? Yes, they were. How were your predictions different from your experimental results? They weren't. Which liquid do you think has the strongest molecular interaction? Definitely clean water. The surface tension of water is 72.8 millinewtons per meter, and the surface tension of rubbing alcohol is 23.0 millinewtons per meter. The higher the number, the stronger the molecular interactions between the liquid molecules. Do these values match what you would have expected given your experimental results? Yes, they do. Below is a cartoon depicting 3 water molecules. Draw lines to indicate how you think the molecules bond or interact with each other. Well, I would say, I think that the 3 water atoms are connect with dipole-dipole forces, and the oxygen is going to connect to the positively charged hydrogen. So, yep.